Okay, for question 7 on the geometry homework, we're solving the system by substitution. When solving by substitution, we have to take one of these equations and solve for one of the variables. In this particular case, it's going to be easiest to solve the bottom equation for x. Solving for x means to isolate it, x in terms of y, so we're going to subtract 2y from both sides, and what we're going to get is x equals 7 minus 2y. Now that we've solved this bottom equation for x, we're going to take this value and we're going to plug it into the other equation for the variable x. So it's going to go right here. Okay? So now our equation is going to be negative 2 times the quantity 7 minus 2y plus 3y equals 14. Now we have to distribute the negative 2 to both terms here in parentheses. So we have negative 14 plus 4y plus 3y equals 14. We're going to add 14 to both sides and we're going to combine these like terms. Gives us 7y equals 28. Divide both sides by 7 and y is equal to 4. Now we're going to take this value for y equals 4. We can plug into either of these equations to solve for x. We can actually plug into this one if we've solved this correctly, and if not, we'd figure out when we checked in the end. So what we're going to do is we're going to take this value and we're going to plug it in right here so we can solve for x. So x equals 7 minus 2 times 4. So x equals 7 minus 8. So x equals a negative 1. So what we've gotten for our answer is the ordered pair negative 1, comma 4. Now, on our worksheet, negative 1, comma 4 is right here. The variable's RW. The letters RW, so here for 7 we'd have an R and we'd have a W. If you want to check this by hand, you need to plug this value back into both of these equations. So we're going to take this and we're going to plug it, substitute it back in. So we have negative 2 times the negative 1 plus 3 times 4 equals 14. 2 plus 12 equals 14. 14 equals 14. Check. Now the second equation, we have x, which is negative 1 plus 2 times 4 equals 7. Negative 1 plus 8 equals 7. 7 equals 7. So we have in fact found the correct answer for 7. It's negative 1, comma 4.